The Samsung Galaxy A17 is an upcoming budget-friendly smartphone expected to launch globally in late 2025. Positioned as a successor to the Galaxy A16, it aims to offer enhanced performance and features at an accessible price point. The A17 is anticipated to sport a 6.6-inch Super AMOLED display with full HD+ resolution, delivering vibrant colors and sharp visuals. It's likely to be powered by the Exynos 1380 chipset, paired with either 6GB or 8GB of RAM and up to 256GB of internal storage, ensuring smooth performance for everyday use and moderate multitasking. The device is also expected to support 5G connectivity for faster data speeds and future-proofing. In terms of photography, the Galaxy A17 may feature a triple camera setup with a 50MP main sensor, 8MP ultra-wide lens, and 2MP macro camera, along with a 13MP front camera for selfies. A 5,500 mAh battery with 25W fast charging is expected to keep the phone powered all day. Running Android 15 with One UI 7.0, the Galaxy A17 is shaping up to be a solid choice for users seeking a capable and affordable smartphone.